The teacher asked the students. What do we do to get from this room to that room? One student answered. First of all, we have to stand up and walk out. The teacher said again. Tell me all the ways you can get from this room to that room. Another student said. We can run. We can walk or hop, or we can go on one foot. We can climb up the wall and enter the window. The teacher said. If I were you, I'd open this door and take a taxi to the airport. From there, I will buy tickets and go to Chicago, New York, London, Rome, Athens, Hong Kong, Honolulu, San Francisco, Chicago, Dallas, Phoenix, and then go back in the limousine and go to that backyard. Then I'll come in through the back door and go into that room. You guys were just trying to go forward. You didn't think about making a detour? Isn't that right? We live in a straight and angular urban civilization, and our lives are becoming more and more like straight lines. We're only going to the shortest straight distance toward our goal. If it doesn't go our way, we get frustrated easily. Because we don't know how to make a detour. It's not the best to move forward recklessly and quickly. Because what we're looking for may be behind our backs, the path we've passed. We must not forget that there is no straight line in our lives, just as there is no straight line in nature.